Hi, to use live text feature on the iPhone 13, we'll need to open camera first. Now we need to take any paper which includes text. In my case, it would be the user manual from iPhone. And after that, simply point the camera at this document till you see this icon with 3 lines in a square. You just need to tap it, and now you can swipe or tap to select text. But before you do this, you can also look up for this text, and it will look up to the similar result in the internet or dictionary. Now let's just tap to select. And here you can also choose this select all, and it will select all of the text. You can tap it again and copy, and after that paste to notes, for example, messages, and so on. Let's select notes, for example, create new note, tap on the free space, and select this paste option. And here is your text from the photo. You can also just choose any word, tap the arrow, select this lookup button, and it will find you results from internet or dictionary. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.